Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can cancel your Atlas credit card. In order to do so, here we are first of all at atlasfin.com. This is where you can come to get started with the Atlas card. And what you're going to need to do is you are going to need to install the app. You can do that on iOS and Google Play. Once you do so and you start an account, if you want to cancel, well, let's go ahead and ask AI what we can do here. So we're taking a look at Cider, which is an amazing tool that integrates directly into your Chrome browser, and you can check the description if you are interested in using Cider. Click on that link and you would be helping us out as well. We would certainly appreciate it. According to Cider, to cancel your Atlas credit card, go to Account Management and then Cancel Account. The support team will review a request and respond within 1 to 2 business days. Always double check the cancellation process with the provider to ensure a smooth cancellation. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips.